Hi, son.
Hey, Dad. How was work?
Oh, you know, another day, another.
Oh, no.
Beep boop boop beep. Boop.
Hello?
Elon, it's time to evacuate Earth. My dad's gonna sneeze.
Okay, I think that's everyone. Let's go.
No, someone has to stay behind to rebuild Earth.
God bless you.
I didn't sneeze.
Kablooey.
Earth was destroyed and was now inhabited by booger monsters.
Yo, I'm a fucking booger.
Pew! And there was only one man who could stop it.